Hi students, this is Kumar, your maths teacher, grade 7. The next one is bar graph. A bar graph is a pictorial representation of the numerical data by a number of bars of uniform width erected horizontally or vertically with equal spacing between them. Now, let us see the few examples of bar graph. So the first question is, the table given below shows the sale of some fruits in one day by local market. The table given below shows the sale of some fruits in one day by a local market. Fruits: papaya sale in kilogram 16 kilogram, pears 8 kilogram, mangoes 24 kilogram, oranges 40 kilogram, apples 52 kilogram. Represent the data by a bar graph. Represent the data by a bar graph. Here, take the fruits along the x-axis and the sale in kilogram along the y-axis. Construct the bars of same width with the same distance between them. Here the sale in kilogram 16, 8, 24, 40, 52. Take the scale in vertical line. 1 unit is equal to 10 kilogram. 1 unit is equal to 10 kilogram. So here x-axis is fruits, then y-axis is sale in kilogram. So x, y. So this is origin. 10, 20, 30, 40 is 1 unit is equal to 10 kilogram. So draw the bar graph. So the first one, papaya is 16 kilogram. Sale in 16. So draw the bar in 16 kilogram. So here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So draw the bar, papaya is 16 kilogram. So the next one is pears, 8 kilogram in sale. So here pears 8 kilogram, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 kilogram pears in. So the next one is mangoes. Mangoes is 24 kilogram. So mangoes is 24 kilogram. Draw the bars. Mangoes 24 kilogram. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 kilogram sale in mangoes. So the next one is oranges. Oranges is 40 kilogram sale. So draw the bars 40 kilogram in oranges. 10, 20, 30, then 40. So draw the bars 40 kilogram in oranges. The next one is apples. Apples is a 52 kilogram sale. Apples 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 52. So draw the bars in apples 52 kilogram in sale. Next question is, following the data given total marks out of 600 obtained by 6 children of a particular class, represent the data on a bar graph. Represent the data on a bar graph. The students marks obtained. Students Ajay, Bali, Deepthi, Fayaz, Keetiga, Hari. Marks obtained 450, 500, 300, 360, 400, then 540. Students Ajay got 450 marks out of 600. Out of 600, Bali is 500 marks, Deepthi is 300, Fayaz 360, Keetiga is a 400 marks, Hari is a 540. So the question is, represent the data on a bar graph. Here the number of students, take the students along the x-axis and the marks obtained along the y-axis. Construct the bars of same width with the same distance between them. So take the scale. Here 450, 500, 300, 360, 400. So 540. So take the scale in vertical line. 1 unit is equal to 100 marks. So in a scale, 1 unit is equal to 100 marks. So in the x-axis, number of students, then y-axis is marks obtained out of 600 marks. So this is origin, 100, 200, 300. This is y-axis. So now is a bar. Draw the bars. Ajay is 450. So 450, 100, 200, 300, 400 is a 450. So draw the bars. Ajay marks 450. Then Bali is 500. So draw the bars. Bali, so 500. Then Deepthi is 300. So draw the bars. Deepthi in 300. 100, 200 is a 300. Then Fayaz is 360 marks. So Fayaz 360 mark. Draw the bar. Fayaz in 360 mark. 100, 200, 300, 350. This is 360. So draw the bars. 360 is a Fayaz mark. Then Keetika marks is 400. So draw the bars. Keetika in marks 400. So the next one is Hari. Hari marks is 540. So draw the bars. Hari mark is 540. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. This is 540. So this is Hari marks. So the next question is, the bar graph shows the marks scored by Rahul in 4 terminal exams. The bar graph shows the marks scored by Rahul in 4 terminal exams. So here bar graph is given. So here terms are term 1, term 2, term 3, then term 4 is a bar graph is given. This is a horizontal line is x-axis is a terms, then vertical line is a marks. So here Rahul 4 terminal marks is given. So here the first term marks is 65 marks. Then term 2 is 75 marks. Term 3 is 50 marks. Then term 4 is 85 marks is given. So here 3 questions is there. So the first question, in which term did Rahul score the most and how much? Now here bar graph is given. So in which term did Rahul score the most? So here term 1 is 65, term 2 is 75, term 3 is 50, then term 4 is 85. So here Rahul scored the most 85 marks in term 4. So Rahul scored the most 85 marks in term 4. So the next question is, what is his lowest score and which term? What is his lowest score and in which term? So here the lowest score is 15. Answer is the lowest score is 50 marks in term 3. So the third question is, what is the scale used to draw the graph? What is the scale used to draw the graph? So here the scale is used here. 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. So the answer, the scale that is used here is 1 unit is equal to 10 marks.